Greetings everyone, today we'll be showing you how to sign up on the UCoin platform and buy our tokens. To begin, go to ucoincurrency.io. Next, you locate the UCoin Business Ecosystem logo. Once you click it, you are taken to the account creation page, where you have to submit your email and password. Then you confirm that you are not indeed a robot, agree to the terms and conditions, and click continue. Great. Now that the account has been created, let's head over to our email. Now let's look for the email confirmation. There you go. Next we click on the link. We see that email confirmation is a success. So we can log in now. Fill in all the necessary fields. Then we tick this box. Alright, we're all set. Now all you have to do is fill in the forms. Your first name, last name, date of birth. It's pretty self-explanatory. Let's say we found out about Ubis through Bitcoin Talk. So then set our country, mobile phone, and click send. Okay, so we're now looking at the user dashboard. As you can see, we have 0 coins, so we might as well fix that. Let's go with Ethereum this time. Click options and deposit Ethereum. Once you see the QR code, you can copy the address. Next you go to your MetaMask. Now paste the address you just copied. Choose the fast option. And finally set the amount. Let's say it will be $50. And then proceed. And confirm the transaction. As you can see, the transaction is now pending. So once the transaction gets confirmed, as you can see we got a notification saying it has been confirmed. You can see that now I have $50 less. So let's get back to the Ubis platform. You can now see we have Ethereum on the balance. Next, to buy UCoin with Ethereum, you click options. Then choose the currency. Then you set the amount. As you can see, my current balance is this. And I'll use all of it. Now just click on the UCoin to buy field. It will fill out automatically. Now confirm that I'm not a robot. And proceed. So we're all set. We've just received 51 UCoin. Now let's get back to the dashboard. As you can see, there is no more Ethereum. We can also see that there is 0 UCoin for now, because if we follow through to the UCoin menu and click UCoin transactions, you'll see that the status says it is sent to the blockchain. So we'll just wait for the network to validate our transaction. So once you see complete as the status of the transaction, you can go to the dashboard and see the UCoins there. So to recap, we have just signed up for the Ubis platform, deposited some Ethereum, and used it to buy UCoin. Thank you for watching.